Yep, you seen the title, you seen the thumbnail. We doing spicy nacho wings. Let's get in the kitchen. Let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and do a quick roll call so I'll let you guys know what we have. So right here, we have our flour right here, all-purpose flour. We have our wings here. We have 2 eggs here. Right here, I have a 9-ounce bag of Doritos. I've already crushed them up, guys. So if you have a food processor, you can crush them up. Or if not, put them in a Ziploc bag, one of those gallons, Ziploc bag, and get a hammer and just start crushing them. And you want them fine like this, guys. Make sure it's really, really fine. Here we have seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. Now, I know these are spicy nacho wings. If you just want regular nacho wings, omit the cayenne pepper. And you can also buy a bag of spicy nachos, but where I'm at, they don't have the spicy nachos, so I'm using the regular nachos and the cayenne pepper to make them spicy. So these are the ingredients. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our flour seasoned. So I already add our flour to a Ziploc bag. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start adding our dry ingredients, which are cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and our seasoned salt. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna seal that up. Just do a quick shake, get everything incorporated. All right, that's what we have. Let's go ahead and continue. All right, so what I wanna do here is I'm just gonna take our Doritos and I'm just gonna add them to a shallow dish like this. That way you can get the wings coated into your crushed Doritos, all right? All right, so let's go ahead and get our chicken breaded. So right here I have our bacon sheet with the rack. I've already lined it with aluminum foil and also sprayed the grates. Right here we have our flour. I added our egg and our egg wash into this bowl here, and we have our Doritos here. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take a couple pieces of our chicken. I'm gonna add them to our flour first, and we're just gonna get them shook up in the flour, shake off the excess, add it to our egg wash, like that. Shake off some more of the excess, and we're gonna add it to our Doritos, just like that. And we're gonna place this on our cooking rack, just like that, guys. I'm gonna do one more, because this is very time consuming. Shake off the excess, add to the egg wash, into our Doritos, onto our bacon cheese. All right, so let me go ahead and complete the remaining ones and I will be right back. All right, so now that we have completed the breading process of all our wings, I've already preheated the oven to 375 degrees. We're gonna pop them in there. We're gonna let them cook for 45 to 55 minutes. We're not gonna turn them over midway through the process on this one here. All right, so let's go ahead and get them in the oven. All right, so here we are, 55 minutes. We've taken them out of the oven, guys. Take a look at this. Look at that. Oh man. So we're gonna go ahead and get these babies on the plate and head into our final presentation so we can get into some quality control. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so we are here for quality control. Look here, I have my nacho wings here. Yes, sir. And guys, I'm gonna tell you, this was a request by a, I don't know if it was a subscriber or not, but someone who was viewing some of my videos, they asked me to do these spicy nachos. And man, you know what? I never turned down doing a good wing recipe. So let's go ahead and get to it. Man, take a look at that. Ooh, let's see what this baby about. Dip in some of that sauce. Well, some of that ranch. Oh man. Man, you hear the crunch? I will say this. These are good, but forgive me because I have sinned. Did you realize what I didn't do? And I didn't realize until I bit into it, is that I didn't season the chicken with any salt and pepper. Why I didn't do that, I have no idea. I guess I was just caught in the moment of making these babies here. But I could tell that there's no flavor in the actual chicken and all the flavor is in the crust, which is great, but we always like to season our chicken, guys. But it still doesn't take away from what we got. These are still delicious, so you definitely wanna give these babies a try. Because the bread, remember we put the garlic powder, seasoned salt and the flour and the onion powder and the cayenne pepper. So the flour has some seasoning, and then you already know the Doritos bring some flavor. So until the end, I'm your cook, Spinelli. This is All Wings Everything, and y'all already know I ain't no chef. I just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.